So in this video, we're going to show you how to use the create a member action. So you can then add anybody who's coming in through any of the 16+ messenger channels, even website chat, into any of your CRM or website builder membership groups. Okay, it's very easy to do. All right, so let's go ahead. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a look inside of the actual action itself, okay, before we start connecting. Okay, so we're going to open up the action. Okay, then we come into integrations and website and funnel builder. Okay, so what we want to do then is edit the action and then find what we see here then is that we have two memberships. Okay, so we've got add to membership group. Okay, so as you'll see there in the description, it adds an existing member to a membership group. Okay, so but we want to go ahead and create a new member first. So we're going to use this one here. Okay, so in here then you'll see at the top that we have a note. So basically it just talks you through what you need to do. Okay, it's very, very easy. So select a membership group to add to the member, create a password or pre-fill with the membership password custom field, fill response mapping fields, the membership group ID, member ID, and also contact ID. All right, so let's just take a look how we can actually do this then. Okay, just like the adding a contact to the an email list, okay, this does exactly the same here. So if I click on the drop down, it's going to natively pull in all of my membership groups that I've got inside of my website builder. Okay, so whatever membership groups that you've got there, it will pull them dynamically within inside of here. Okay, so you can see that I've got 5 groups here. So we're just going to add, let's just go to challenge replays. So we're just going to add them to this specific membership group. So then we come down into the membership password. Okay, there's 3 actual ways of doing this. Okay, so you could go ahead and add in, type in your own password, just like that. So it's generic for everybody to use that specific password to gain access to that membership portal or whatever it may be. Okay, or you could use a custom field where you ask them a question to type in a password. Okay, alternatively, you could use an email custom field. So their login is their email. Okay, login name is email, the email is email, and their password is email. Okay, you can do that. Or if you leave it blank, what it will do is that your website builder will send that person a generic email asking them to create a password for themselves. Okay, so it's entirely up to you how you want to do this. All right, so for this instance, what we're going to do is we're going to flip back out of this in a second, and we're just going to create a custom field where we can just type in a password. All right, and it's going to save in a value. So when we come down to here, then we have the membership group ID. So again, we're just going to add all these in. Okay, membership groups ID. Sorry, that's member group ID. Okay, so what's the difference between member group ID and member ID? So basically, if they're part of any different types of membership groups, each group comes with its own ID. Okay, here then we have a member ID and also the contact ID. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on save on there. So like I said, is that we want to create a place where they can insert their own password. Okay, so for this action then, we're going to use a question block. Okay, we can come into the question and we're going to put in a text question. So you could type in anything like this. Okay, create a new password. Okay, in here then, what we're going to do is we're just going to call it password for now. Okay, and then the type that we need is just text. Okay, cool. So that's done. Okay, that's ready to go. So what we need to do then is we'll just connect. And then we'll connect this one to that. Okay, so continue to the next step into here. So we come back into this action, and what we're going to do is add that custom field value for the password. Okay, remember, which is inside of here. So we can come in and go ahead and type in password. Okay, great. Okay, that's all set, ready to rock and roll. Okay, and save. Okay, so we're just going to put a simple success message at the end of this, just for demo purposes anyway. Obviously, you'd say, hey, that's you. Okay, let's just put that in. That's you now added to XYZ group. Okay, and in the next video, we're going to show you how to add a button. So it will take them directly straight into that membership area. Okay, really, really cool. All right, so we're happy with that. Let's just tidy this up. You know that I'm all about OCD. Okay, so that's ready to go. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and publish and we'll preview this flow. Okay, preview and pop up. Okay, so it's asking us, hey, create a new password. Let's just call it Pete123. Okay, and enter. Okay, great. That's you now added to XYZ group. Okay, just like that. So if we flip into the actual CRM right now, you'll see that I've been added to this specific group. So let's go there. Okay, so now we're inside of the builder. Okay, I'm going to click on me. Okay, and you'll see here that we've got now the groups added. So manage groups. Okay, so challenge replay. So as you can see there, then from, it could be from Instagram, it could be from Facebook, WhatsApp, or even website chat, that you can go ahead and add people into specific groups. Okay, so we'll leave that video there because it's very, very easy to understand on how that one works. And in the next video, we're going to show you how to automatically get them into that membership group by using a thing called a single sign-on. Okay, we'll see you there.